Hi, my name is Rakib. Welcome back to my channel. So today our agenda is we're gonna install the JUnit 5 in our Intellij. So we're gonna use the Intellij to create a new project, and also we're gonna add the Maven dependencies and we're gonna test the setup. So the whole idea is about we're gonna set up our JUnit for our Intellij. So let's get started. So the first thing first, let's open the Intellij. So let's open the Intellij. So when you open the Intellij, the first things you need to do is you go to files, you're gonna go new, and you click on the project. So as right here, as you can see, this is the Maven we're gonna create, and this is our the SDK is we're using the Java 11. So you keep everything as it is and you go to next. Now you're gonna give a project name. Okay, so I'm gonna say set of JUnit Intellij, and let's see the file. So that's it. Then you're gonna click on the finish. So once you click on the finish, it's gonna open up the project for us. So the first important things we're gonna look as a Maven project, we need our dependencies, right? So one of the most important things is like, let's get our JUnit dependencies. So right here we are in the pom.xml, as you can see right here. So this is our pom.xml. So everything's as a default setup. So now we need our JUnit dependencies. So let's say dependencies, and then let's say dependency, and what we need, our group ID is org.jupyter JUnit Jupyter. That's awesome. So I don't need the engine, I actually need the JUnit Jupyter. So we need the version. So to check which versions you have, if you press Ctrl space, it's gonna show you the version. So I'm gonna use the 5.7.1. So and you hit the enter. So that's it. So the first shortcut in Intellij is Ctrl space, which is gonna show you if there is what kind of versions are available. So once you got that, as you can see, you come here, right here it says little m with the update options. The moment you're gonna click here, Maven is gonna go and automatic download all the dependencies is needed. Like right now we need the Jupyter, is gonna download the Jupyter. So this is one options. If you don't see these options, you go to right here in the Maven and you come here, you click on here, download the sources, and then you click on the update. So it's the same thing, you can do two different way. So since I have these little icon, I'm gonna just press it here. So you can see it's actually downloaded and everything, it's gonna be automatic. So right now we have everything else. Let's go and set up a test file. So we're gonna go to here, test in Java. You right click on here, go to new, go to Java class, let's say test. Just create a class, right? So here, as you can see, sometimes you want the cursor in the middle, right? So there is a nice little shortcut for the Intellij is if you press Ctrl Shift Enter, as you can see, your cursor is gonna be right in the middle. So that's how you can do it. Is very simple. Again, Ctrl Shift Enter. Okay, so now we're gonna create a method, right? So we said public void test, and right here also, the moment you put this, you can actually do another shortcut, do the same shortcut to automatically create the parentheses for you. So I'm gonna press Ctrl Shift Enter, and as you can see, it automatically give us the parentheses. So it's a very nice little shortcut, right? We always look for this kind of shortcut actually to improve our programming, right? To improve the IDE use. So once you come here, so that's it, right? So to run this, we need to annotate it with the test. So hit the enter, it's gonna automatically import the Jupyter test class in here, the annotations, and right now everything is good. So now let's just run it. Right, to run this test, right, we're gonna go right here. As you can see, a little icon right here. If you click here, it's gonna say run the test. So once you run the test, in the bottom you just have to wait for it to see all the green check, which is gonna tell you that there is no issues at all. So as you can see, still it's keep loading. So it's still loading right here. So it came in, and you're gonna see that it's still running, and you see all the check. That means we have run our JUnit 5 locally successfully. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you're gonna set up for the JUnit in your locals. And please leave the comments if there is anything you didn't get it, or if you need anything more information. And if this is helpful, please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. Bye.